Welcome to this powerful subliminal session designed to attract an abundance of wealth into your life. Do not skip any part of this video, as each second contains powerful affirmations hidden within the background music. Listen to this on a loop, especially while sleeping, for the best results. Let the flow of money find its way to you effortlessly. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. With each breath, feel yourself relaxing deeply. Imagine your entire being is open to wealth, prosperity, and financial abundance. Release any stress about money. You are now ready to align with unlimited wealth. I attract money easily and effortlessly. Wealth flows to me in unexpected ways. I am surrounded by an abundance of money. My bank account is constantly growing. I am a magnet for prosperity and success. Every day I receive more money than I can spend. I have more than enough money to live my dream life. I am worthy of being rich and wealthy. My financial freedom grows with each passing day. Opportunities for wealth are drawn to me from everywhere. Money comes to me from multiple sources. I am grateful for the wealth that keeps expanding in my life. I am aligned with the energy of abundance and prosperity. Now, picture yourself living the life of your dreams with more money than you ever imagined. See yourself enjoying your wealth, spending freely, and investing wisely. You have more than enough money for everything you desire. Feel the joy and excitement of financial freedom, knowing that wealth is already yours. Thank you for listening to this Too Much Money Subliminal session. To fully manifest wealth and prosperity, listen to this video daily, especially while sleeping. Let the power of these affirmations reshape your reality and bring you the financial freedom you deserve. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your journey in the comments. For those who wish to support the channel, feel free to super thank or join as a member. Your generosity will come back to you multiplied in wealth.